Hello, goddesses. Welcome to Food for You for Goddesses. Today, I'm going to show you how to make umeboshi, ume-kuzu, actually, ume-kuzu tea. And this is amazing for those nights where you went out, you're tired because of your kid, you had dinner, whatever it is, and you woke up super, super tired. This is amazing to alkalinize the blood, or before you get a cold, when you're starting to feel bad. This is something you want to do, and you want to do for you, for your family, and your kids. So come on, and I show you how to do it. So we have the umeboshi plums here, the kuzu root, and 1 cup of water. And soy sauce, trying to find one without alcohol. So I'm gonna pour 1/2 cup of water here, and I'm gonna put it in medium-high heat to boil. And then I'm going to cut my umeboshi plums. I'm gonna use 2 today into pieces. I'm using 2 because I didn't sleep well last night and I'm a little bit tired, and this is gonna help me so much, guys. If I make it for Sophie, I will do just with one plum. So now we're gonna put 2 spoons of kuzu. And again, if I do it for Sophie, then I will just put 1 spoon. Sophie is my 4-year-old. And if I see she's getting under the weather, I immediately give her this. So we're gonna stir until it's completely diluted. And we're gonna add it to our umeboshi and water once the water turns pink. So just like this. And I'm gonna put the heat on the lowest possible. And then I'm just gonna stir. And normally what I do is cover, or what we should do is just cover it and stir from time to time, and like in 2 minutes it will be ready, like 4 minutes. And then I add, once I have this texture, so look at this texture, I add 5 drops of my soy sauce, stir it, and guess what? It's ready. So once you put the soy sauce, please don't leave it for more than a minute. And it's ready to drink. It's a different texture, but I hope you enjoy it and feel better. Thank you for sharing this space with me. If this recipe nourished you or left you something beautiful, I would love to hear from you in the comments. And if you would like to keep exploring recipes like this, um, you can support this space with a like and by subscribing. If you would like to connect further, you can always follow me in Instagram, where I share more recipes and daily inspiration. See you in the next video.